So we're all here today to thank you guys because I don't think we were in this state of mind about 10 days back when we didn't know where we're headed and where the film is headed. And we were nervous, we were scared, but then we decided to take this path. But I think little did we know that we've got so many people out there, friends like you, who are going to support us through this journey. And I think from the bottom of our hearts, we want to tell you that there is no way in hell we could have seen through this without you guys.
I think we are all here, first of all, representing a movie. So we should not try and say anybody is representing a state. I think we're all trying to represent the film and represent freedom of expression. I think everybody here supports that. I'm honestly completely unaware about what you're stating. We're actually here feeling very proud and very happy about what has happened yesterday. And I think the Honorable Bench has given a decision which I have huge respect for. I actually even appreciate the one cut that they have given. I appreciate it. Although from a personal point of view, I would have wanted this film to pass without any cuts, and the shot that has been cut is mine. But from a neutral point of view, I think what we need to learn from what has been said is that we have the freedom to express ourselves, but we need to be responsible. So I think that's a very nice balance, and it was a very, 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 very nice decision.
ਇਹ ਪੰਗਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਪਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਵੀਂ ਗੱਲ I don't know ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਲੇ ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਬੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਂ ਬਟ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਫਿਲਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਨੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਧਾਈ ਦੇ ਹੱਕਦਾਰ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਬਟ I don't know ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ I don't know
it's a point of view that was expressed by a character in the film. It was that character's point of view. I stand by the data that the government and AIMS has provided regarding this matter. In the film, the context was that it was a particular character's point of view. And since then, we have taken note of the fact that people might take umbrage to it, and we rectified it.
See, I just want to say something very simply. I completely agree with Shahid that whatever communication that was happening on the team's front was all a team thought, effort, emotion, everything. We all were in this together. But yes, we chose to not say too much because things can be misinterpreted. But I can give you a very personal and maybe a little bit of a naive response that maybe I had. When I heard about the cuts that were suggested, my first question was to my father, but why and how? But it does not make sense. I was not able to understand. And my father, as Shahid mentioned, there have been people who have fought this and been way mature. My father has been fighting this since the longest time. And he looked at me in a way that, Alia, it is something that happens, but go to the court, fight it, and you will come out feeling happy because they'll always be on your side. And he was very sure about that. Coming back to again the statement that Shahid made that you don't know how happy I was yesterday when I got that SMS that we have passed Urta Punjab with A certificate with one cut. I was so delighted. And that just shows that eventually you may have to fight for things that you believe in, but with the judiciary and the court and the judges, we did what we wanted to do. And I feel so happy because I'm a director's daughter, and to know the fact that what a director has to go through when you're saying ki ye nikalo, wo nikalo, ye nikalo, wo nikalo. It's like you don't understand. The feeling is like your intestines, everything goes all turning all over. So I'm just really happy that we've reached this stage, and yeah, now we can just smile and have the film release.
So I think the teams have worked together, Phantom and Balaji, and we have a very interesting set of distributors who supported us through this whole turmoil, and I think we will be having just the kind of release this film deserves and needs, and we won't open it too wide, but it'll be a pretty wide release, keeping its genre and its audiences in mind.
No, I think the battle is far from over. Urta Punjab, yes, we fought, and there was such amazing support this time. The support came starting with Ekta, to Phantom, to the distributors, to the industry, to all of you people. So I think, this wouldn't have possible if everybody did not support it and believe in the fight. There's some people who doubted our intentions. Some people said that we are doing it for publicity. Some people said we have some political affiliations. We have kept quiet through it all because we believed in our fight and everybody was one. And I don't think there is like, okay, voice probably was mine, but I think everybody was behind me. Otherwise, I would not have gone out there and did all that. And I've not seen this kind of a support. And I feel somewhere, yes, a lot of smaller films are facing that. I read about 2 films this morning. Huh? I don't know much. I read about one Gujarati film and one Haramkhor. And Haramkhor is in a way indirectly related to me because produced by Guneet. So somewhere, you know, and those films can't fight. But the good thing is they have got the letter. Very clearly, I saw one letter that they got, which is what we were fighting for, which we were not getting. They've got the letter that clearly says they can go to revising or FCAT. That they can skip revising and go to tribunal, which is a good thing, which is a great thing. Because with that letter, then a lot of fight is minimized. So, but I think somewhere, yes, we need to change the system. And I think Mr. Jetli has made a statement in regards to that. Mr. Rajyavardhan Rathore also said something in regards to that. And they have made us believe that it will happen soon. Humongous problems with Mr. Nilani. But if he goes, who will come in? And what is the guarantee that someone that comes in will not interpret the existing Cinematograph Act and the law the same way? Or maybe worse or maybe better way. You know, the thing is, the whole system needs an overhaul. The whole system needs an overhaul. Not just Mr. Pella Nilani needs to be replaced, which we want to, but the whole system needs an overhaul. And I think we as an industry should fight for it because it's about all the other films too in the future. My biggest worry becomes is when Shahid steps out of his zone and believes in a script, and he's the one I remember that read the script and passed it on to Ali and said that, you know, you must read the script and do the film. And actors encouraging each other to step out of their comfort zone to do a film. When something like this happens and everything gets cut down, but I don't think he will have the courage next time to attempt a film like this. So that is so important for us. That, you know, somebody goes out, steps out of their comfort zone, and it's for the system to say, we want to participate, we want to say something, we want to stand by it, but everybody else make sure that it is communicated that way, the way we saw it, the way we were promised it. I think somewhere it is a collective responsibility. No, but that's a fact. I was part of water, and I remember there's a group of people who protested against water. That group was formed overnight when the protest started. It was called Kashi Suraksha Sangharsh Samiti. I still remember that day. It did not exist the day before. So these things happen, and these things happen all around. So you can't, because people sometimes jump in. It's like some random person will file a case somewhere just because he fancies a star, and he'll put a case against Shahid because he wants to see Shahid. Then when Shahid would go there, all he'll say, sir, can I get a selfie? They have appointed a team to view the film, which is watching the film at 4 p.m. So what will happen, we'll know only after that. और वो मुहिम चली हुई है, वो मुहिम बहुत सालों से हम लोग कर रहे हैं, and I think कहीं ना कहीं सबको भी ये realization हो रहा है, वो हम लोग कर रहे हैं, वो चीज़ें हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है कि इसी गाइडलाइंस में हमने वासेपुर भी रिलीज की, इसी गाइडलाइंस में हमने देवडी भी रिलीज की है, हमें इस तरह की कभी दिक्कतें नहीं आई, और जब भी हमें लड़ना पड़ा, जैसे कि मैंने ब्लैक फ्राइडे में भी लड़ाई की, हम लोग ने कही वो एक हमेशा फेयर फाइट थी, आपको एक रीजन दिया जाता था, आप उस रीजन से, उस इंटरप्रिटेशन से लड़ते थे, आपको जो लड़ने का ग्राउंड भी था वो भी बहुत फेयर था, ये जो था ये थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ था, यहाँ पे आपके पास वो है ही नहीं, मतलब आपको एक तरफ बोला जा रहा है, दुनिया आपको बोल रही है आपकी फिल्म बैन होगी, दुनिया आपको बता रही है क्या कट्स हैं, हाँ आपको कान में बोले जा रहे हैं, लेकिन आपके पास कागज नहीं है, आपके जब कागज नहीं आप करोगे क्या? हमसे ये बहुत ही ये फाइट वैसी फाइट नहीं थी, मतलब हर बार मैंने लड़ाई की है और कभी आके इस तरह से चीजें हुई नहीं, ये एक पूरा एक थोड़ा सा ये पावर गेम था, ये ऐसा, और इस तरह का इंटरप्रिटेशन पहले कभी नहीं देखा मैंने, तो मेरे को अभी आप बोलिए, मैं 2 साल पहले जो मैंने फिल्म बनाई अभी बनाने से आदमी डरेगा, जिस तरह से पिछले 2 साल से हो रहा है। सो ये ऐसा नहीं है, ये लड़ाई, हाँ गाइडलाइंस की जहां तक की बात है, ये सिनेमेटोग्राफ एक्ट बहुत पुराना है और बासी हो चुका है, उसको रीलुक करने की जरूरत है, उसको अमेंड करने की जरूरत है, वो 100% है और उसके ऊपर काम भी हुआ है, आई थिंक रिपोर्ट भी सबमिट की जा रही है।
श्याम बेनेगल से इस बारे में आपकी कुछ बात हुई है?
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.